The challenges facing the education industry is effectively high costs of IT, for example, right? It's also time to market of some of their applications. It's also getting resources for themselves to do their own computation and so on. I was recently involved in a project to assist an educational institution to design and implement cloud technologies.
The client is a tertiary institution, recently started in 2011, with just a few hundred students. As the number of professors and students grow, the admin staff would have to manage an ever-growing number of requests.
The role of the solutions architect is to design the cloud for the education institution. The solutions architect interacts with the client to understand the business problem that the client faces and creatively comes up with a solution that addresses that problem from an open source perspective.
The most important skill for a technical consultant is to be able to understand the customer's needs and apply technologies to fit these needs. An example of a request would be to create a cluster of virtual machines to run a biology experiment. Or, in a simple case, to build a number of machines running WordPress for beginner students. The solution proposed by the team was to build an open hybrid cloud incorporating elements such as Red Hat CloudForms, Red Hat OpenStack, and a public cloud provider.
The Open Hybrid Cloud will allow a customer the ability to move applications freely across his private data center into cloud services or public cloud services.
This solution automated the provisioning process so that users could provision these themselves. It also gave the administrators the ability to gain insight as to how that cloud was being used. And it allowed administrators to define policies as to how these resources were being used. For any implementation to work, I like to think of rules, tools, and schools. Rules help the customer to understand how to resolve problems when they arise. Tools are what we give to the customer to help them resolve issues. For example, the customer portal. Rules let the customer know how to engage Red Hat. Tools are what Red Hat gives to the customer to help them resolve problems. Schools are the training and certifications we give to the customer to elevate their knowledge on the use of Red Hat products. As a result, the customer now views us as a trusted advisor.
What makes me happy is when the customer derives business value from the solutions that we provide.